Welcome back. In this video, we'll be seeing conditional statements in VbScript. So primarily, there are four conditional statements available in VbScript. That is, first one is the if-else statement. Second one is a for statement. Third is select case, and the fourth is while loop. So let's see if-else statement. So what is if statement does? It compares a condition. If a condition is true, the if part of the statement will execute, and if the condition is false, the else part of the condition will execute. Let's try to see an example. Let's say I say dim x and y. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to 5. Y is equal to, let's say, 5. Now let's try to write a if statement. So every conditional statement in VbScript has a particular format. You have to follow the syntax. So if you are writing a if statement, then it has to be followed by a then and a end if. This end if tells VbScript that okay, this is the end of this if statement, and this is basically a condition. If this condition is true, it will go inside the if statement, and if this condition is false and there's no else statement written, it will directly come out of the if statement. Even the else statement is not mandatory. If I want to include else statement, I can include, or else it is not mandatory. So here if I give x is equal to y, which is true in our case, it will come inside the if statement and execute this portion of the code. So let's try to print a message saying the input values are equal, and in case if these values are not equal, we'll print a message that the input values are not equal here. Let's try to execute it and see what happens. So it is going inside the if statement and printing me the correct value. Even if I want, I can write nested if, that is if inside a if statement. So let's say if we have three variables z, and z is equal to 10, and I want to write two if statements, I can even club them like this. If y is equal to z, then go inside this, or else message box y and z are not equal. If they are equal, we will print a message that y and z are equal. Y and z are equal. Let's try to execute this code and see what happens. So first message we should get is input messages are not equal, and then y and z are, first message we should get the input values are equal, and the second one y and z are not equal. So we see how we have written nested if, like if inside a if statement.